I'll be using Base Coat by Maxis for healthy, strong nails. And I'll be using Maxis Finito Top Coat for a long-lasting manicure. Today I'll be using polishes from Holotaco. This is Oh My Gourd, Scorched Earth, One Coat Black, and Scattered Holotaco. The stamping polish I'll be using is by What's Up Nails, and it is called Neither Noir. The stamping plate I'll be using is Uber Chic Beauty Halloween 03. I'm going to use this little face right here, and I decided to use the What's Up Nails polish I just got, and I think it's a little bit of a thicker formula and worked out a lot better for picking up this pumpkin face. I did try a couple of times with the one I normally use, and yeah, that didn't work out real well. And so this was pretty effortless, and I got a really good pickup. Sometimes it's just a good idea to have a couple of different brands, because if one doesn't work, you know, try another. That might work better. I'm going to do black and orange nails. So I'm going to use, I think, 2 coats of Oh My Gourd. I think if this one is opaque in 2 coats. And 1 coat of One Coat Black. And this is the 2nd coat. I'm going to put Scorched Earth over Oh My Gourd to get this beautiful kind of shiny orange look. And over One Coat Black, I'm going to put Scattered Taco. I'm going to add a 2nd coat of Scorched Earth. Give it that extra shiny look. This could be a fun Halloween manicure on its own, but we're going to add a little stamping to it. I'm going to put some sticky base coat on over the tops of the nails that I'm going to be stamping on. And then I'm just going to wait several minutes until it is mostly dry, but still a little bit tacky. If it's too wet, you're just going to dent your nail polish. I'm just going to stamp some cute pumpkin faces on. Oh, well, I thought I was going to. Jeez. Well, that did not work out well, did it? All right. Gee, hope this one sticks. All right, that one worked out really well. So if you have something like this happen, I'm just going to put a little sticky base coat right there. Just wait like a minute, and then hopefully the stamped image will stick right to it. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, there we go. That worked out pretty well. I'm just going to add some smudge-free top coat. Now I'm just going to put finito top coat over the tops of all of my nails. This is the finished manicure. I think it looks super cute for Halloween. You can either stamp faces on it or just leave it plain black and orange. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.